You will love the features of this 2026 Chevrolet Equinox. Whether you're on a family road trip or doing the daily drive, the Equinox is your go-to vehicle. It's the elegant solution that blends advanced safety technology, passenger comfort, and SUV functionality. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, navigation system, keyless entry, 4-cylinder engine, backup camera, heated front seat. Why settle for a vehicle that's merely functional when you can have style as well? Get into the Equinox and go places.